Switzerland, the land of picturesque landscapes, also boasts an equally captivating nightlife, especially in the year 2024. Under the starlit skies, the streets of this Alpine country come alive, teeming with an energy that is both contagious and exhilarating. The Swiss nightlife in 2024 is a harmonious blend of traditional charm and modern vibrancy. The melodies of yodeling and alphorn fill the air, intermingling with pulsating beats of electronic music. It's a symphony that encapsulates the spirit of Switzerland, a celebration of its past, present, and future. The nightlife here caters to a myriad of tastes. For the party animals, there are countless clubs and bars where internationally acclaimed DJs spin the latest tracks. For the quieter souls, there are cozy lounges and wine bars that offer a more laid-back atmosphere. And for the culture enthusiasts, there are many theaters and live music venues that showcase the rich cultural heritage of Switzerland. Foodies will appreciate the late-night eateries and food markets that offer a smorgasbord of Swiss culinary delights. From the hearty raclette to the sinful Swiss chocolate, there's something to satisfy every palate. And let's not forget about the unique festivals that light up the Swiss nights. The Fasnacht Carnival in Basel, the cow parades in the Alps, the colorful Lantern Festival in Lucerne, each one a unique spectacle that adds a different dimension to the Swiss nightlife. But what truly sets the Swiss nightlife apart is the Swiss touch. The impeccable service, the punctuality, the attention to detail, these are the subtle nuances that make the nightlife experience in Switzerland one of a kind. In 2024, Switzerland's nightlife is more enchanting than ever. It's a fusion of old and new, of tradition and innovation, of tranquility and excitement. It's a place where every night is a celebration, where every moment is a memory waiting to be made. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the best nightlife spots in Switzerland in 2024. Commence the journey with Geneva, a cosmopolitan city that offers a unique blend of nightlife entertainment. As the sun sets over the city's iconic Jet d'Eau, Geneva's nightlife begins to sparkle with a vibrancy that rivals the stars above. In the heart of the city, you'll find a myriad of classy wine bars, each with its own unique character and charm. From the rustic allure of Le Verre à Monique, known for its carefully curated selection of fine wines, to the chic ambiance of Bottle Brothers, where the sommeliers are as captivating as the vintages they serve, each offers a unique taste of Geneva's sophisticated side. For music lovers, Geneva's jazz clubs are a must-visit. The famous AMR Sud des Alpes is a haven for jazz enthusiasts, where the rhythm of soulful tunes fills the air and the atmosphere is as intoxicating as the music itself. Or perhaps you'd like to try Parfum de Beirut, a club where the fusion of Eastern and Western music creates a truly unique auditory experience. And for those who prefer a view with their evening entertainment, Geneva's rooftop lounges are a sight to behold. From the stunning vistas at Floor 2 Bar, located atop the Grand Hotel Kempinski, to the panoramic cityscapes at Le Rooftop 42, these venues offer a breathtaking backdrop to an unforgettable night. But Geneva's nightlife isn't just about sophistication, it also caters to the adventurous. The city is home to a thriving underground scene, where innovative DJs spin tracks till the early hours, and the party never seems to end. Venues like Le Gravière and Le Zoo offer a different kind of night out, where the beats are heavy and the atmosphere is electric. Whether you're looking for a quiet evening sipping wine, a night of soulful jazz, or a vibrant party scene, Geneva has it all. It's a city that caters to different tastes and different moods, offering a smorgasbord of experiences that are as diverse as they are exciting. So as we bid adieu to Geneva, remember this. No matter where you find yourself in this cosmopolitan city, one thing is guaranteed: a night of world-class entertainment. Geneva truly offers a night of world-class entertainment. Next stop, Zurich, the party capital of Switzerland. When the sun sets, Zurich transforms into a vibrant hub of lights, music, and energy. From chic and elegant to casual and quirky, there's a place for everyone to let loose and enjoy the night. Let's start with the pulsating club scene. Zurich is home to some of the most electrifying clubs in the world. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill dance spots. They are unique venues where creativity and music find a common ground. From the industrial charm of Hive to the legendary Kaufleuten or the eclectic supermarket, each club offers a different vibe, pulsating with the rhythm of various music genres. House, techno, hip-hop, or even jazz. You name it, Zurich has it. But the city's nightlife isn't just about clubs. If you're more into a relaxed evening, Zurich's bar scene won't disappoint. Whether it's the hidden gem Witter Bar with its extensive whiskey collection, or the rooftop haunt Jules Verne, offering panoramic views of the city, these places are perfect for a cozy night out. And let's not forget the music festivals that the city hosts throughout the year. Street Parade, the world's largest techno parade, brings millions of ravers to the city every August. Then there's the Zurich Open Air, a 4-day music festival where you can enjoy the best of international and Swiss music. Zurich's reputation for hosting world-renowned DJs is well-earned. The city's dance floors have been graced by the likes of Paul Kalkbrenner, Carl Cox, and Nina Kraviz, just to name a few. Whether you're a fan of electronic music or prefer to groove to the beats of hip-hop, you'll find a dance scene that vibrates with energy and passion. Zurich's nightlife is more than just a collection of clubs, bars, and music festivals. It's a cultural phenomenon that represents the city's love for music, creativity, and a good time. It's a place where you can express yourself, meet like-minded people, and create unforgettable memories. Zurich is indeed a haven for party lovers. Now let's turn to Lucerne, where tradition meets modernity. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, Lucerne is a city where the old and the new dance together in harmony, especially when the sun goes down and the city lights up. Let's start with the traditional Swiss music scene. Lucerne is home to a vibrant folk music culture that keeps the city's heart beating to the rhythm of the Alpine horn and the yodel. The city's charming pubs are filled with the soothing melodies of Swiss folk music, transporting you back in time. It's not unusual to find a local band playing traditional tunes, while patrons tap their feet to the rhythmic beats. But what makes these pubs so charming? It's their warmth and welcoming nature. They are places where locals and visitors alike share stories over a pint of Swiss beer or a glass of local wine. These cozy, wood-paneled establishments are filled with a convivial atmosphere that is quintessentially Swiss. Contrasting this traditional scene, Lucerne also hosts a variety of modern dance clubs. These trendy spots pulsate with energy as DJs spin the latest tracks and partygoers dance the night away. The city's dance clubs offer a stark contrast to its traditional music scene, showcasing Lucerne's ability to blend the old with the new seamlessly. Yet, the city's unique cultural offerings don't stop at music. Lucerne is also known for its folklore performances. These traditional Swiss performances, which often involve music, dance, and storytelling, provide a unique glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage. They are a testament to Lucerne's commitment to preserving its traditions, even as it embraces the future. Whether you're a fan of traditional Swiss folk music, modern dance beats, or cultural performances, Lucerne has something to offer. The city's nightlife scene is a delightful mix of the past and the present, the traditional and the modern, the familiar and the new. It's a place where you can enjoy a quiet pint while listening to a folk band, then hit the dance floor at a trendy club. Lucerne is a delightful blend of traditional and contemporary, offering a unique Swiss nightlife experience. As we wrap up our journey, it's time to summarize the best places to visit for nightlife in Switzerland in 2024. We began our nocturnal adventure in the cosmopolitan city of Geneva. Its nightlife is as diverse as its population, offering everything from chic cocktail bars to underground clubs. Its vibrant music scene, particularly the jazz clubs, provides a melodic backdrop to the city's nightlife. If your idea of a perfect night involves dancing to the rhythm of live music, then Geneva is the city for you. From there, we moved on to Zurich, the party capital of Switzerland. Zurich's nightlife is known for its pulsating energy and non-stop action. The city is home to the most clubs per capita in the country, catering to all music tastes, from electronic dance music to hip-hop and rock. The city's nightlife scene is ever evolving, making it a must-visit for those who love to party till dawn. Our journey then took us to Lucerne, a city that beautifully blends tradition with modernity. Lucerne's nightlife is unique, offering a mix of traditional Swiss pubs, trend-setting bars, and live music venues. The city's nightlife is as enchanting as its picturesque landscapes. If you're someone who appreciates a blend of the old and the new, Lucerne's nightlife is sure to captivate you. Each city offers a different flavor of Swiss nightlife, making each night in Switzerland a unique experience. Geneva's eclectic music scene, Zurich's vibrant club culture, and Lucerne's blend of tradition and trendiness each contribute to the country's rich nightlife tapestry. So, as you plan your visit to Switzerland in 2024, remember that the Swiss nightlife is more than just a way to end your day. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the local culture, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. Whether you're a party animal, a music lover, or someone who enjoys a quiet night with a glass of wine, Switzerland's nightlife in 2024 has something for everyone.